Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I love to make candles. So that's why I really like this EricX Light candle wick trimmer. So you may ask, how difficult is it to cut a wick? It's actually extremely difficult because you need to make sure the wick isn't too tall because that does affect how it burns. And all of my candles have lids, so I actually need to make sure the wax is a little bit below the lip of the jar. So scissors, they're not designed to go into a container. Sometimes it's cut diagonally, wonky, it doesn't cut the threads fully and starts to tear, and if your candle has not fully cured, it could then mess up the look of the wax. So it's very important to have something that can descend down into the container, trim it nice and evenly. It's designed to get a nice clean cut. Even when you have it in your hand, you can see this is high quality metal. You can't bend it or break it. It's super nice. It doesn't take up too much space. So if you are starting to get into candles, it's an easy thing to just throw into a drawer. I think this is a must-have for any candle maker, even if you're starting out or you're wanting to start a business. I think it is super crucial to have this because you work hard to make these beautiful candles and you don't want it to get messed up at the very end just because you didn't have the right tool to cut that wick properly. So I love this. I am so glad I finally got one. I definitely was one that was like, I don't need it. But I finally did get one and I'm so happy that I did. And that's my point of view.